All right, so welcome back. All right, so in our last section, I was able to take you through on how you can search for your competitors using their page. So it's very important that you write these page names down and just check as many as you want based on the niche. So based on the niche, so you can write as many of them down because it's very you are going to need them later on. I'm going to show you how you're going to need them. So next thing you need to do is this section. I'm going to show you how to use similar web. So one thing about similar web is similar webs is it's a platform that shows you top ranking websites all over the world. So we have for real estate, we have for art and entertainment. So this also guides you on in targeting because no matter how the customers you are looking for are also following or have interact with pages like the website like this. So you can also target any website or page like that related to what you are selling. So for real estate, for beauty, entertainment niche, also it will also guide you to able to do that too. All right, so when you go to similarweb.com, you see, place your mouse on rankings. So what I did is I was um so it's for all categories. It's for all categories. These are another ranking. Say top apps ranking, top apps ranking, application ranking, top application ranking. Wow. So we have Team Up, we have CapCut, we have TikTok, these apps, TikTok's apps. So this and you need to sign up. So when you sign up, you have to they will give you 7 days free trial. So you can use the opportunity to able to write down to do your market research using them, to leverage on them, to able to get as many as you want, as many as you want. So all right, so this you need to write down all these the search engine markets share platforms. So all platforms is another one. Mobile versus desktop versus blah blah blah. So this is another one also. All right, so in this area, so let me just say for example, real estate. Real estate. So you can also use the same thing. Copy this you can just copy this website's name, site link, and just copy it, and let me go back to let me close this my arts library, and I type inside. Okay, let's delete that. So type inside. Let's see. So you can just remove the dot com. Remove the dot com. You see that now. You see that okay. They are on. If you are into maybe if you are running an ad for property, so you can just search for it. All right, so this you are waiting on that. So let's see. Our network is very slow. All right, so for those who are running who are into real estate and running ads for real estate company, so you can also see what's the ads that Zillow is running currently on as Zillow is running currently. So um so these also let's check other websites. So let me see the number 10. Let me see number 10. So let me choose this. Let me see if I'm able to copy this. All right. So copy, copying it. So go back to my hash library. Check. So I'm going to delete all this. So I'm going to remove the .de. .de. So let's see. So this is a website. This is a Facebook page. This is our Facebook page. So let's see if they are running ads currently. So it's also a real estate company too. It's something it's a real estate company too. So you see, it's a real estate company too. So you see what they are doing too. Check what they are doing. Their copy, swimming pool, jacuzzi, blah blah blah. So this is a real estate company too. So this is how you learn from them. This is what you do to also see what they are doing. So you can also use this same name to as your audience, as interest. So let me see. I think maybe there's something else I want to show you before I round up this class. All right. So like I said the other time, that okay, that you can also check other websites in and eliminations based on what you're running, as you're running business consumer and services. So I click on business consumer and service, and I click on worldwide, and I click on go. Click on go. So let's see. Let's see. FedEx. Let's type FedEx. Let's see. FedEx. If FedEx is any. So it's I think FedEx is it FedEx. Not sure FedEx. Right. So let's see FedEx, if FedEx is running any adverts recently. Right. So FedEx is running an ads recently. So as you can see, this is FedEx ads. So they're running ads recently. So FedEx is a real estate logistics company. They're also running an ad recently. So if you are into logistics too, you can use this to check what your competitors are doing, how they are running their ads. All right. So in next section, so we are going to go into more details on how we can use this to for create audience, create our audience. All right. So see you in the next section. Thank you.